Lock screen dynamic island. Dynamic music control. Lock screen music album art. Liquid glass effect. Spatial wallpaper effect. Device unlock animation. macOS icon pack style. HyperOS 3 control center support. Let's install on your device. My device, Xiaomi 14T HyperOS 3 Global. Open Play Store. Install Zyper app. Theme and wallpapers in description. Open Zyper app. Set Allow all permissions. Apply MITs. Select theme to apply. Need active lock screen features. Open Theme Store. Customize theme screen and lock style custom. Enter activation code. Konglad Wak Makata. If you see spatial effect, the theme activated. Now, custom wallpaper. Select custom. First, import original image. Enable depth effect. Next, import background removed image. Enable spatial wallpaper. Add widgets. Change text under battery widget. Now enable lock screen dynamic island. Dynamic flashlight. Change home screen wallpaper. Use Google Wallpaper app. Apply only home screen. MITs theme in description. Thanks for watching video.